Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the capital B, the letter capital B. So turn the first block 2 times. Alright, now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then turn the 8th block 2 times. Count 3 blocks and turn the 4th block up, like this. And now turn this block, so 1, 2, the 3rd block, turn it like to the right or down. And now count 1 block, turn the 2nd block down, and then count 1, 2, and turn the 3rd block to the right. Alright, now turn this block, so the 2nd block, upwards. And then now count 1, 2, and turn the 3rd block to the right. Now turn this block down, and then count 1, 2, and turn this block towards you. And there you go, you should have a capital B. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.